part 3, getting the lock out. Not very easy with, oh sorry, not very easy. I haven't done all the bolts here. Whoops, sorry. Right, oh sorry. Oh, let's try this end. There we go. It's going nicely. The first time I did this, I took the whole strip off and I replaced the front lock. It was a complete waste of time, didn't need to. It's one of those things you learn as you go. But now I can take that out, lock the door up with the, there we go, she's out, and I can get that ordered. And that's what she was like before I sliced through her, managing to get the disc, 1mm disc, 1mm disc, cut through the bolt as it were, just there, all ready for the new one. Thank you very much.